Hello, friends. Are you ready for a fun adventure? Today we're going to learn about something super special called confidence. Can you say confidence? Great job. Confidence means saying, being brave. Let's all say it together. Being brave. Meet Benny the bunny. Benny wants to hop over a little log. But Benny says, "Oh no, what if I can't?" Have you ever felt that way? That's okay. Everyone feels nervous sometimes. Benny takes a big breath. Then he smiles and says, "I can try." Can you say it with Benny? I can try. Hop, yay! Benny made it. What are some things you can try? Can you count to 5? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing. Can you draw a picture? Can you sing a song? Can you tie your shoes someday? You don't have to be perfect. Just keep trying. Remember, trying helps us learn. Let's say it together. I can try. Every time you try something new, your confidence grows. It's like watering a little flower. Little by little, it grows bigger and stronger. So when something feels hard, take a deep breath, smile, and say, I can try.
I can try, yes I can. Step by step, that's the plan. If I fall, I'll try once more. Confidence helps me soar. I can learn, I can grow. Every day I'll let it show. Big smile, reach up high. I believe in me. That's why.
You did a wonderful job today. Remember, every big success starts with one little try. Keep smiling, keep learning, and keep saying, I can try. See you next time. Bye-bye.